So this is for the either doing the climate change as a result of natural occurrences or the climate change as a result of humans research page. Okay, so I want you to use this document as a group, okay, as a place to compile your research. That way, all of you will have access to it at any time you want or need. uh, it will also show me your progression in out of class work. I will be using this document to follow and eventually judge your level of research for this assignment. Each of you should put your name individually in the spot that it says where it says name, and okay, add your research under there. So the example I have here, it may bring up an option to link this to your profile. Please do that. Okay, what's kind of cool is I can just hover over it and be like, oh yeah, that's so and so's. Okay, and so anyway, you're going to put your name there. Okay, and then underneath, you're going to put your research that you're finding. So I've got this scientific article that I found for a climate control of high latitude vegetation greening trend. Okay, so like this is the one that I found, and we can see here it's from Science, volume 296, issue 5573, from May 31st, 2002. So it was quite a while ago. Okay, but it's um, just for demonstration purposes. You want to try to get information that is a lot closer than this. Okay, as far as timelines are concerned. So what I want you to do is I want you to Control C, okay, or right click and copy. Okay, same thing. Then you're going to go back, okay, and you're going to go to where it says Tools. And in Tools, you're going to go down to Citations. Now, under Citations, I want you to, it'll be in MLA probably on yours, okay, but I want you to switch it to APA, okay, and then you're going to hit Add Work Citations, okay, and you're going to hit depending on what you're looking at, whether it's an online database, um, right? So right here, whether it's a book selection, a website, a journal article, which is what this is, by the way, it's a journal article. So I'll hit Journal Article, okay, and I've gotten it off of a website, okay. Um, I'm going to put the author's name in there, the article title, the journal title, the volume and issue. Remember, I showed you that already. It was volume 296, and issue, I think it was 55, 5573. Okay. Um, and then you're going to put the published date, the published month, the published year, the published season. Some of these are not required. You can see the ones that have the little star. Those are required. Okay, so you have to put those in. And then the URL address, which we've already copied, right? So I'm going to paste that in there. Okay, so you're going to put all that information in there. Okay, I'm just going to fast forward it and show you, and I'll put it all in. Okay, so as you can see, I've entered in, you can either choose the editor or the author. I've got the author here, Wolfgang Lucht. Probably pronounced that wrong. Okay, I've put in the article title right here. I've got the journal title, the volume, the issue, the pages that this information comes on, the published day, the published month, the published year. Okay, then but as you can see, I didn't get everything. Okay, it's just those things that are recommended that are really important. Okay, I've got the URL address that you'll have to have. Okay, and then I did find the DOI, which I'll show you here. Often on an article like this, I found all that information right here. pretty well. You'll see number one here. I've put down Wolfgang as the first researcher. Okay. So then I hit add citation to work. Okay, and you'll see here it's created a citation for me. And these little boxes might pop up. Insert in-text citation. Okay, insert inside text citation. Don't worry about that right now. Okay, but at the end, what you'll do, so you'll put your name, and at the end, you'll just go insert bibliography. Okay, and then your bibliography will pop in here. Now, you will just take this and you'll delete the bibliography part because this whole thing will be your bibliography. But as you can see, that's how you do a journal. Okay, it's very similar if you're going to do a website, but sometimes you don't get all the information. You don't get the author and stuff like that. But if you have any questions, please let me know.